What's going on, peoples? It's Ken Jackson here, and welcome back to the fourth dimension where you get the good, the bad, and the unnecessary. Today we have another GHome product. I know I have a lot of them, and that's okay. They do good. They make some good stuff, all right? They make interesting stuff to me. Today we're going to be reviewing or giving you a tutorial on this smart door knob. 3 ways to unlock this. You have the fingerprint, app unlock, and you have the traditional key. On the side, you got your notes. You know, please make sure, once you get the low battery indicator, please make sure to replace the battery within a week. What's in the box: exterior knob, interior latch, strike plate, strike box, the keys, the screws, and obviously the manual. Here's your model number. Like I said, it's just black, no obsidian black, no none of that other stuff, just black. Operating temperatures up to 20 fingerprints, and the batteries are not included, but you're gonna need 4 AAA batteries. I do not like that, but it is what it is. We have a temporary power connector that is a type C for emergency charging backup, and this is available, the app is available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Like I said, 20 fingerprints, smart app control, mechanical key, easy installation, and security. All data transferred are encrypted with bank level AES 128-bit and TLS encryption. Rest assured that no one can gain unauthorized access to your lock. Unauthorized, that's the key word. So, what's in the box? I already opened it, obviously. We had installation. We always love that. We have the manual. We got a box for the strike plate, the latch, the screws, the keys, and then this had its own separate packaging, the doorknob. Structured manual. Obviously, structured manual just telling you how to install it. There's no special way or no specific way to install this. It's just like every other doorknob, right? Bedroom doorknob, front door. Unscrew it, pull it out, put the new one in, screw it back in. Simple. It'll take you like 8 minutes, hopefully 5 minutes. So, what's in the box again? Same information as you read on the box. This does have the latch extender. That's good. Showing you where the keyhole is. This is the installation instructions. Yep. So what it's telling you is that it wants you to install the doorknob before you put the batteries and all that other stuff in there, right? But I always highly recommend that before you install, make sure it's working properly. If it needs batteries, if it needs a plug or whatever, plug it in before you install it and make sure it's working before you install it, and then turn it on and it just don't work. Like, you're gonna be sitting there looking crazy. And then it's less packaging to deal with, you know, it'll be easier to ship back. So this is one of the pictures I was talking about. It's telling you to install it first. Then open it up and take the batteries out. Got the app again. We got the indicator lights. If it's blue, is ready to pair. Red is failed. Green, good to go. Green plus red, it's time to install new batteries. How to pair to the app. That's it. We went over that in other videos, other GHome videos, but it's fairly easy. You just download the app, and there's a button on the device that you hold that'll pair it to your phone through Bluetooth, and then through there you can connect it to the Wi-Fi and things like that. So that way you'll be able to unlock it and unlock it with the app. So ideas for this, you may not know, you may not be thinking, for those of us that aren't hard thinkers or whatever. It takes us some time to figure out things, I guess. No disrespect to you or anybody like that. You may be thinking, why would I need this fingerprint doorknob? Well, you can use it on a back door. I'm thinking of using it on a garage door, because our garage door, it has a lock, but the lock doesn't work. So it just opens. You could use it on your bedroom. Maybe your bedroom has more than one closet. Maybe the closet has a secret spot that has an extra door in there. You can install this doorknob. Hide whatever you want. Just saying. We had a house. It had a small bedroom, but it had like a 2-door closet, and there was a small little door at the bottom of one of the closet doors. Like it was against the wall, obviously. It was like a small little door. You could open that and you would have to crawl in there. But when you crawled in there, it was the HVAC. It was such a stupid spot to put the HVAC. Like it wasn't in the attic. It was like in the closet behind a small little trap door or whatever. And then obviously you had space that you could store things in, so this doorknob would go in there. So this is already connected. I already put the batteries in there. You have the type C emergency, and then the batteries go on this side. You unscrew this, take it off, pop the batteries right in there, and there's a cable that you connect, and you're pretty much good to go. With this, you want to pull this forward. If I can do this with one hand, see where it's separated at? Oops, see where it's separated at? You can pop it out and then twist it, and it'll show you where the key is at. Now, it's already plugged in, already has the batteries. The set button is, where does set button go? There it is. I'm gonna hold that so I can pair. But, like I said, obviously flashing red means it's failed to pair, which means you would hold the set button and then you would connect it through the app. Okay, we have it set up. So as usual, to add this, if you want to go back for me please, to add this device, yes I know I can do screen recording, but you know how that is, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, obviously plus symbol, and if you have your GHome device hooked up or whatever or plugged in, it'll automatically pull it up, or you can add it manually. But we already paired this, so yeah, pretty straightforward. Auto lock opened. You can turn it on or off. You can member manage. It shows you the time when it was opened and when it was locked and things like that. So just me. We can set what bedroom is in as well. Door lock alarm. What other settings we have? We have remote unlock, lock volume, and do not disturb. So this is how you lock it. You're just gonna slide this. It's locking. We'll unlock it. It was already locked at first, so yeah. Close that. Like I said, you just pull this up, twist it, and then it's done, right? Or if you want to try to press that down with a screwdriver or something, but it's easier to pull it out and twist it and show the key. And like I said, you got the type C emergency, just in case you forget to change the batteries, and you forget to change the batteries, you lose the keys. That's what that's for. Plug that in, use your phone charger, whatever. Type C to type C type stuff, Let the phone charge it for a little bit and then unlock it. But we're gonna lock it again. It's locked. Unlock. Get your notification. So that's about it. We can hook this up wherever we want to hook it up to. This is take like 5 minutes, literally. Take your latch off, take your strike plate off, put the new one right there. Get the right Oscar. And you're done. And like it's just that simple. And then the app only takes like 2 minutes. You can sign in with your Google or whatever you want to use. You don't have to use a new email. It's right there, literally easy. I love their products. They're so simple to set up, and they trying to integrate more into your smart home. So it pretty much makes it worth it. You can get this for like $50. Doesn't cost that much. The same price as a regular doorknob, like a regular set of doorknobs, I should say, because I think the cheapest doorknob you can get is probably like $15. But if you want to go for like something front door or back door and make it all fancy or whatever, it's gonna cost a little bit more. But you can get this for like 50 to 60. So even if you have a bedroom set, that's gonna run you like 30 to 40, depending on what brand you get. A lot of people don't like Defiant because it's the cheapest one. People usually go for the middle, which is Quickset, and that runs you about 20 for just like a bed and bath. So yeah, but you want to protect yourself, protect your stuff, secure your information. This is what to get. Fingerprint. And yeah, you'll be the only one that knows how it works, pretty much. Twist, unlock, get the key, and you have the keys with you. So it'll be more secure, in my honest opinion, because it's not going to read the fingerprint, and you're going to get a notification if somebody's tampering with it on your phone. So I would say it's pretty much worth the 50 to 60. I don't remember the exact price, but it's not 80, it's not 100. So it's pretty cheap for what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later.